Get out your gloves because I'm going to show you how to repot a big plant.
Start with some good potting soil, a pot, and some tools. Cover your work area with plastic because it's going to be a lot of dirt there. Then take your potting soil and put it in a reusable bag for ease of use. Now you want to make sure you have some organic pebbles to help with the drainage, and then start to build. Soil, some pebbles for drainage. You want to completely cover that layer with a good generous layer of those pebbles for drainage. And then you want to put more soil on top, and now you've made a nice layer bed for your plant. Now let's get this baby up and pat the bottom, and as you'll see, the roots are pretty badly impacted. So we don't want it to go into shock, so you just want to loosen it up a little bit, give it a little bit of water, and then she'll be ready to go into that pot. And then cover it with some more soil all the way up, nice and lightly. Pat it down with your spade. And look at that, she's ready to grow. Beautiful. Love you.